Hi everybody, Salima here, yoga therapist, and this is the second of our two-part series or four-part series on CBD, which is the non-psychoactive part of the cannabis plant, and the healing benefits that you can gain from that. I want to start today with showing you some products. These are topical creams, and these creams come in regular strength and extra strength, and then I also have a CBD cooling stick. So I want to show you some options for healing if you have joint or muscle pain, particularly arthritis, or if you have sore muscles from your workouts or any other thing. You twisted your ankles or carpal tunnel syndrome, for example, anything where your joints or your muscles have been affected and you're looking for a non-prescription and non-medicated type of cream, or a non-pharmaceutical, I should say. This is plant medicine, and I'm going to just simply show you how this is used. This is extra strength, and the extra strength comes in a little container like this, and really speaking, you just apply it like any other cream. If I have a little bit of soreness around my joints, so I'm going to take this extra strength and rub it in, and generally speaking, I feel the relief in about 15 minutes or so. And I like to do this in the morning, first thing in the morning, and then I also do this at the end of the day, just before I'm getting into bed. You could apply 2-3 times a day in order to feel the soothing effect over the course of the entire day. It depends on your schedule, it depends on how often you want to use the cream, but this one works really well. You can see that it's not very greasy, it's not too, it's easy to absorb into the skin, and it goes on really nice, and there's no scent on this at all. So this is an option if you've got joint or muscle pain. This is an extra strength CBD cream healing balm so that you can heal topically. The other option, if you're experiencing inflammation, so let's say you have an injury and it's a pain that feels inflamed, so there's a bruise, it's feeling warm to the touch. The other option is to take a cooling stick, and so this cooling stick, you apply it, it's in the shape of a deodorant, and you take the stick cover off, roll it up a little bit, and then apply this to your skin, and you'll feel a cooling relief almost immediately. And then this one also includes a little bit of the smell of peppermint, so using regular essential oils. This has a cooling effect and also a great way to work through any topical pain. So the options here, rather than to go for something from the pharmacy or from the drugstore, is to take Mother Nature's course first, is to apply a little bit of plant medicine. Notice how it feels. This I've seen also my clients use if they've experienced some tenderness or soreness after they've done a yoga class, and they come out and they've applied some of this cream and to great effect. So I wanted to share that option with you. If you're looking to purchase some of these, you can click the link below and you'll have access to all of the different products that are available. And remember, this is CBD, so there's no psychoactive effect. You won't feel high. This is on your skin, and a great way to leverage what we know about plant medicine is that it works very intuitively with your body. Everyone has a different kind of healing benefit, and it might just be the next best thing for you. Happy to help, and if you have any questions, please leave that here underneath the video, and subscribe and like, and do your practice as well. Thank you. Satnam, Salima, and we're signing off now. Watch for video number 3 and 4 coming up next.